The Fields is our flagship location for Division Road, where preservation through craft goods takes root from the land, providing our clients with tailored, robust experiences. For 2 years, we have been working on ecological restoration and creating wildlife habitats, which have evolved into a novel world. With a varied landscape ranging from native wildflower meadows to high grass fields, future arboretum to strolls along the creekside and through the back forest, 2.5 miles of trails beckon to be explored at the Fields. Our showroom is available by appointment, geared towards building relationships and providing a complete connection to our products in a private setting with personalized service. Our headquarters and showroom live in a restored equestrian farm building that takes our urban design sensibility and transports it into a natural rural landscape. This provides a fresh format for our operations and provisions. Countryside and cosmopolitan, independent and collective, comprehensive and selective, sensible and extreme, we are distinct. Much like the environment we have created at the Fields, Division Road looks to explore the possibilities of what can be done with excellence and authenticity. Fostering a vision of discovery from the products we create or advancing renewal projects in the Fields, this is a journey of life and style.